So we made a charcuterie board.
Charcuterie board.
Yes, we
Lovely.
made a tiramisu. We made a lagoon.
Dear students,
You made a lagoon,
you have
tiramisu
last 10
and
minutes
charcuterie
to wind
board.
up
Yeah.
and present your dish.
What is charcuterie?
Sir, it's like a cheese board with an assortment of dry fruits. Like we have put here, olives, pesto, and all these dips so that we can enjoy cheese and along that's what our croissants are.
Lovely.
Made by you. Would you put lemon juice?
Sir, actually this is pesto.
What do you put it for the sourness?
One by one, our chefs
Would you like
are
to taste that
moving from
tiramisu?
one table to another. Our judges tasting the flavors.
And on top of that, we add some cream with some mascarpone, and we basically top it off with some cocoa.
Culinary experts
Tasting okay. Good.
The salad and
The salad.
Kind of fajita.
Yes, sir.
Our judges
Sir,
here
and it's
looking
garnished.
the flavor, creativity
so
and
you just put
presentation.
it and then use it as sauce.
Will they go for
Please keep it. Don't worry.
fiery
Angel. Okay, you are Angel. Okay. So
Nice.
what did you cook for us today? This is
Yogurt.
this is yogurt.
Yeah.
Okay.
The final countdown has begun. Final plating is being done. Students are using colors. And here we see some flower petals being decorated. They are truly bringing the colors of India onto their plates.
Anybody ready here?
Right from the streets of Mexico to our Indian tables, we have nachos. These dishes are not just flavorful, they are power-packed with proteins, minerals and vitamins.
Yeah,
Which class you are in?
10th sir.
10th standard.
So I've kept my hygiene, my decor, cleaned everything. And some people might ask why I've chosen Subway. Subway is one of the most easiest and go-to dishes all over the world. So, and some people might also think that it's a junk food. Yes, although it does contain some calories. This time I have not given calories. I've added less sauce, less mayo, more green vegetables, and I've air fried the aloo tikki. So it will taste very good, and the fries are absolutely delicious. No sir, it's actually mine. I use
Your
it
own apron, huh?
Cook in your home also then.
Yeah, sir.
Lovely.
Future chefs.
So sir, should I cut it from here?
Yes.
Small bite.
Arnish, we hope that this goes right out of the stadium today.
Just one tip.
Your flavors
This part is not edible.
are going to rock, and we wish you good luck for those. And now on to the tasting. We have the flavors, the Mexican flavors presented here, and as chef tastes the sweet dish, it's an impression of the true delight of Holi. Colors, flavors. A new version of Thandai 2.0 presented by our students. And it's just not the same liquidy drink that we have. They've used their culinary expertise into the glasses and given it a good shape and color.
Today we present to you a fusion of flavors and creative. This is a creamy blend of hummus with a rich creme salad and homemade baked nachos, and with a soothing and cold mango flavored thandai.
Okay.
I have done some, then we have some olive oil, vinegar and some salt. I had done the dressing with it. I hope you like it.
The great thing about this is that entirety of this is homemade. The nachos, well, the veggies were grown in the farm, obviously. The nachos, the hummus, the thandai, the dressing on it, everything is homemade.
Is the homemade nachos?
Yeah,
Yes.
sir, homemade
Done by
nachos.
you?
Who baked this?
Done
Your
by
mom?
me and mother. My mom taught me the recipe and I made it.
corn.
So as it's Holi is a festival of color, so we incorporated vibrant colors like the brown hummus and beetroot for the reddish hummus, and some yellow, green and red bell peppers with some purple cabbage and pomegranate.
The sweet delight that they have presented in the form of thandai with mango flavor. As the judges taste their dishes,
What's that?
they are looking for taste, innovation, and presentation. And what sets these dishes apart
It's a thandai.
Very strong.
What's that? The dust on the top of the glass?
That's almond, cashews, and pista crunched.